What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Alasia Lavon, back again with another freaking video. Woo! I know y'all probably wondering where I've been, but I'm back now, so we're not even gonna talk about it, you know. But anyhow, y'all, I'm in a rush already. As y'all can see, I got all these bags on because we getting ready to go to Miami. Okay, so I'm going to Miami today with the old lady gang. We staying for 4 days. I just got off work, y'all, so I'm rushing. Like, my suitcase is not packed. My mama is really waiting on me, so I need to hurry up. I got to talk real fast. So I'm going to throw my stuff in this suitcase, and we can be on our way to Atlanta because we're going to catch the plane in Atlanta to Miami. So y'all just bear with me, okay? Because right now I'm rushing, and I don't got a lot of time. But I'm going to see y'all when we get to the airport. Bye.
Make sure your small electronic devices are held or secured in a pocket by checking around your seating area in the seat back pocket for service items you wish to discard. Flight attendants are passing through the cabin now to collect them. We'll be landing soon.
First and foremost, this has been a crazy first flying time experience for me. Because we almost didn't make it. Okay? My mama was literally running through the airport. I was fast walking because I don't gotta do too much. My legs long. But when I say crazy. But we just touched down in Fort Lauderdale, waiting to get a rental. And we're about to see what we about to see. So you guys just keep on watching. Look at them, y'all. We all waiting on the rental. Look at my mama. Who does she think she is? Fit check. Check my girl out. She on the phone, y'all, but I wish she turned around. Let me quit smacking on this gum in the camera, though. Girl, it's nothing. That thing is not thinking. Oh, I need that. That match my J's. I want that. Anyhow, checking in. We on our way to the sugar factory if we can ever find it in these people's mall. So that's what we're about to do. What you looking at? Grapes. Oh, this is just what I need. No, this is Delta 8. Yeah. No, mama. My mama got me looking at Delta 8 CBD. Is these regular vapes?
You have nicotine, you have CBD, and you have THC. These are the nicotine.
Y'all, they didn't dare have a cane vape, so why would I buy it? Why would I shop and they didn't have a cane vape? Stop it. Honey, not my mama over here getting a picture of, is this a Volkswagen? Of the Volkswagen coffee van. She takes her job too seriously. No, not the Cartier store. Cartier. Not is given. We really don't even know where we're going. They just got us walking around. Okay, y'all. Burberry. Okay. You see it? Girl, give me two over there. Balenciaga.
Girl, show that ID and get in this stuff.
Girl, boo. Damn, I wish I knew where mall we was at so I could tell y'all, but I don't know.
We got security at the door.
What you got to do? Have an appointment? How you supposed to do this? I don't know how to do all that rich people stuff. How are you supposed to get in these stores when they got security standing there guarding her? Somebody let me know. So do we know where we're going yet? Or we still don't know?
They said you gotta walk all the way.
Yo, long time no see because, first of all, y'all see how rough I look. I've been in the car asleep for hours because story time, we got scammed. We freaking got scammed out of our Airbnb and had no clue until we got to the Airbnb and seen U-Haul boxes and dogs running around. Come to find out, They took the money that we paid for the Airbnb, even though our host backed out of being a host. They still took our money. So when we got there, we had nowhere to stay. Had to argue with Airbnb for God knows how long. They said I was in the car asleep for like 2 hours. We sat at a gas station. Y'all, it's just been a lot just to get. We was about to be homeless. We had to find another Airbnb. So basically, I think right now what we about to do is we about to go to the store. And we supposed to eat some tacos out tonight, drink, have girls' time. Woo! I'm so tired already. I'm so tired. I got off work last night and got straight on the road. I'm very much tired. I haven't had no sleep for real, so y'all just keep on watching. Hopefully the vlog turns around because, baby, we wasted a lot of time in the day on nothing. But I'm about to give y'all a little small Airbnb tour, I guess. This is different than our Airbnb that we was originally supposed to have. It's still cute or whatever, what to do. We here for a good time, not a long time, you know what I'm saying? So I'll take y'all around the Airbnb, maybe. Who knows? I don't know if I'm gonna feel like it. What the fuck's going on at the Walmart?
Look, y'all, that's what Rossi's and stuff.
Mama. About to run into me. And I need to be over there in the makeup section. Y'all, I'm so freaking tired. It don't make no sense. It don't make no sense to be this tired. Trying to get a little makeup wipe. Honey, I'm really just trying to find a concealer around here, but they making it very hard. I need to take my shades off because I can't see what I'm looking at. I got this black opal one, but baby, I don't think that's giving my shade. It's not giving my shade. This one look like it's giving more of my shade, y'all. I'm gonna be pissed because I'm slick out. And I need an elastic band to put this wig down, baby. Okay. I really think I'm done with this section. I'm so damn sleepy. I mean, I know I ain't gonna keep on saying that, but baby, I'll be at the Walmart with it. Okay, I think I got all I need from this section. I'm gonna have to call my mom in a minute because she sure did leave little old me. Now, I told her what I was coming over here to do and she done left me anyways. Thank you. Oh, what a nice girl. I need to paint my crusty ass toes because, again, baby, no. Yo, they got the ugliest childish I don't even know what I'm trying to say, most childish press-ons I've ever seen because what are these? No, ma'am, Pam. Baby girl is what the nails say. Grow up, please. Anyhow, let me find. I'm just looking for a color for my toes. Not trying to do too much. Where you going? Don't do too much. I'm so sick of my mama walking up. Okay, here she go, honey. I need an elastic band. Yo, I'm trying to figure out why is this Walmart packed like the club on Friday night. The lines are ridiculously long. Like, the lines are going through the clothes. It's given, it's a no for me. Ready to go. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. It's giving exhausted already. So basically, anyways, we're not doing much of nothing. We about to eat taco salad and they want to drink and stuff, but a lot of the ladies is sleepy. I told y'all I'm with the old lady gang. You know, they got to go to bed and whatnot. They can't hang with the gang for real. But yeah, some people take showers, you know. I did the Airbnb. I did the little Airbnb house tour and y'all seen some of them was sleep. So Basically, I'm just about to chill and do whatever they finna do. I need to paint my toes and my nails because who finna be out here in these streets looking crusty. And get ready for tomorrow, honey, because I'm slow and I be need to get up and be prepared before everybody freaking else. Because if not, baby, who going somewhere? I need to ask them what time I need to be ready because I'll be the last one. Honey, baby, please. And I think tomorrow we're going to do a boat tour. And it might be a boat tour or it might be the pint and pedal. I think that's what it's called. Where you ride around on a little, bike and you drink or whatever. We doing one of the two tomorrow. But anyhow, y'all, just, keep on watching, follow along, The turn up is yet to start because we had a rough start to our day today. Like I told y'all, we got scammed, basically. I don't understand how that man... Well, they say we're supposed to be getting a refund or whatnot, but I'm just trying to understand how that man was able to keep that money knowing he backed out of being a host anyways. Airbnb, please get it together because the math is not math and, like, it makes no sense. Once he pulled that he was not a host anymore, y'all should have pulled that money off that card, is all I'm trying to say. But, yeah, I'm just chilling right now until it's time for me to get in the shower. I'm waiting on my turn patiently. But yeah, just keep on watching, y'all. Who knows what I might be doing next. Hopefully I'm drunk as a skunk, loose as a goose. All the above. Good morning, guys. Today is the next day. It is Friday. It is like 8:34 in the morning. I've been up since 6. We just ate breakfast that I did not show y'all because a girl was trying to paint her toes and whatnot and get ready. Because today is beach day. So we going to the beach. And then later on we doing what is that? Pint and pedal. Where you drink and you ride the little tour bike that's got more than, one person pedaling. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Anyway, we doing it today. So I'm getting ready to go to the beach. Because I'm slow and the old lady gang ain't no telling what they doing out there. So I'm finna just start getting ready. I still got to paint my pinky toe because I be painting them last. But I had to make it do what it do real fast. And then later on when we come back tonight, I paint my nails because I don't got time for that right now. I just need to hurry up because y'all know I got to put a little face on. Just a little face, not too much because we're not going to be doing all that out here in this Florida heat. So yeah, that's basically what I'm about to do. And when I have my bathing suit on and we going somewhere, I'm going to show y'all, of course, because can't be forgetting that. But right now, everybody just about to start getting ready. And we go to the pedal bike thing at 8 o'clock. So it's lit. Lighting is trash, but I'm almost ready. What else I gotta do? Paint my pinky toes, because I always paint them last. Stop spinning around. What else I gotta do? Put my bathing suit on. Fix my little edge chair. Whatever. Just checking in, though. Hopefully we can get this thing rolling. Yo, why are we about to get fucking rained on? Why? Mama, you really in the way. But you are. Right.
you can take a picture, girl. Come on.
I'm on the video. Look at them getting on the jet skis, y'all. Stop it. Look, Foxy about to get on their net. Tiki already out there. Couldn't be me.
Hello, lady. Welcome. How are you today?
I'm lit. Yeah. Man.
Good thing then. That means you on vacation.
I need to eat something.
Okay, maybe more chicken. So between the dry cream and the chicken tenders.
I don't look good. You look good. I got sausage.
Okay, then. You look very good. Just the bar is working on your drinks.
Okay. Thank you.
So just I need more powder.
Well, wait, A1 steak
A
sauce.
honey mustard. I will steak sauce.
A1.
Currently waiting on the pedal bus. This one is dead. So we're standing here waiting on a new pedal and pub bus to come pick us up so we can be lit through the city. Waiting. We lit on the pedal bike. On the pedal bike. Mama, is you ready to get lit? And that's on period. Y'all see this right here? This that teleport, and that's a rock brandy VSOP. Get like me, and it's turn up time. Yeah, we still sitting here. We still sitting here. I'm ready to pull off.
All right, is everybody ready? Yeah, I'm talking to you. You need it up there, or you gonna hold on to it?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right. Said we here for a good time and a long time.
He put on sweatpants.
Said the makeup for the lost,
Gray sweatpants alert.
lost time, y'all lost. We're waiting for people to
Yeah, that's gray sweatpants alert.
Y'all on time, Lord.
Yeah, we was on time.
Right, y'all was on time.
Gray sweatpants alert.
What you want from me?
Okay.
All right, y'all good. Everybody good. Anything else?
We went to the beach and bubble gum.
Stop it.
Ah. Oh, you got my shade on. Leader, you're fearless leader, whatever you want to call me, but my name is Corey. That's spelled C-O-R-Y. No E-Y. I don't fuck with no E-Ys. Don't fuck with E-Y. Pretty much like E-Y that work here. So if you spell my name C-O-R-Y, you want to leave like a good review, he gets my reviews.
Okay.
So fuck that nigga there, alright?
Okay.
R-Y is my name, that's how you spell it. First thing on this voyage, do not get off this bike when it's in motion. When I'm moving, just don't jump off this bike. Let me know if you lost something or something fall off your head, like your glasses. Especially if it's on your head, that shit gonna whoop. You don't even know it's gone, right? You can be like, oh, I need my glasses. Just don't jump off, all right? Let me know, and I'll pull over for you so you can get your glasses, all right? Because it is a lot taller than it seems.
The VW
Especially when you're drinking. Especially when you drinking, right?
Girl, you don't have to know this stuff when we out of
When we get
town.
our beverages, the alcohol must stay on this void green. I
What?
ain't trying to fuck y'all up, I'm trying to have a good time. That's it.
To what turn green? That's why we gotta get to the
So we good, everything?
good.
Alright, I'm gonna set the tempo either way. Just let me know. I'm gonna change it up. DJs, I'll go over here, don't go over here, then we'll go everywhere, alright?
Okay. Alright.
Alright, say less. Here we go.
I can move my legs, man.
Pedal, pedal, pedal,
He gon' tap in, he gon' buy me out to put it back in. I ain't trippin' with a nigga for my hat, cause he gon' pay for it to put it back in.
Yeah, my baby like to act up when we fucking. Aggressive freak, she tell me smack her when we fucking. Started laughing.
Y'all, where we at?
Break, you know.
Oh my God, hold on. Let me get off the bike so I can show y'all. Hopefully I don't bust my ass.
Take it to the bush, let's go then. I got ball grease, the crib. I got case 100, crib.
We at the liquor store. We at the liquor store. The pedal bike brought us to the liquor store, y'all. Now we at the one-stop shop. Oh, that's gonna get you fucked up. Yes, and that one tastes like cream. The black one is stronger, but that one good too. Yeah, it's got a cream taste to it. It'd be real good with some Coke. What y'all get? What y'all get?
They gotta give back.
Y'all ain't got nothing? What y'all finna get?
Oh yeah, let's try that.
I already know what it's hitting on. Y'all need, y'all need some Coke and it's brown. Yeah. Okay. It's what the Coke at?
Get a Coke, let's go.
Get a Coke and let's ride. I just came in here to be nosy. I ain't got nothing going on. My fat mouth is numb. Ooh, baby. She is numb. What you playing there? My legs is not open. Ain't nothing open over here, baby. I don't know what she's talking about. I'm just telling you. I mean, who else needs it? I got my drink in my cup, girl. You know me, sister girl.
Where they go?
Get your ass out the way. We at the liquor store. Oh, yeah, I'm about to. Listen here, you mind yours. Cause I'm gonna edit that out the video. They're not even gonna see that part. Thank you.
Give me swishes. Give me 2 bags.
Oops. Okay, yeah, I'm finna go back out here and get on the party bus because it's a long way up. Yeah, our little tour guide cute and whatnot. Little doggy. Look at dude ass, y'all. Oh, his solo over. We out here. Look at my mama. Hey. Hey. Whoa. Whoa. So funny, y'all. What's going on, man? This is my plate and whatnot. Look at that right there. Fall off the bone. I don't know what this hitting on. This straight need a little bit of... Ooh, y'all see that fall up the camera? This need a little bit of salt and pepper right here. I ain't even gonna hold you. But this right here, fall off the bone, baby. I'm trying to tell you. This what's going on. Ain't out there. I can barely hold my head up. I'm trying to eat this barbecue. They out there listening to these last $2. And I'm dying a little bit inside. Somebody help me. Please help me. Oh my gosh. Good morning, y'all. Good motherfucking morning. It is Saturday today. Today is Saturday. Last night was lit. Y'all, I had to call it a night when we got back. Oh shit. I had to call it a night. Like, your girl was too lit. Like, that pedal and pub really freaking got me there. Like, not even gonna kid you. Like, it was lit, y'all. I'm still trying to recover. I woke up drinking water. My mama was in here making me drink Alka-Seltzer last night. Gross. I was lit. There's nothing else to say. I still got my shirt on from yesterday. You see the barbecue stains? You see it. Like, lit. I have nothing else to say. Like, the pedal and pub was so fun. So many random people just danced with us, recorded us, hyped us up. Like, 10/10 recommend that you guys do that one time in your life. It was so freaking fun. And I couldn't get no lot of footage, for one, because copyright. For two, because I was the DJ trying to get us lit. And y'all know how it go. But it was so fun. But I'm just waiting right now. They in there cooking breakfast. I'm gonna go ahead and drink some more water. I need a goodie powder. My mama's still in there asleep. They cooking breakfast. And we're getting on the celebrity boat tour today. So I'm definitely ready for that. I see my mean Amy. She just walked past, y'all. But yeah, that's what we doing today. Hopefully it's another lit situation, because baby, I really had fun yesterday. Like, that was so much fun. Oh, honey, I need to be putting my elastic band on, because I'm finna have to start getting ready after we eat. We got to get on the boat at 2:30. It's like 8 o'clock right now. So, yeah. We just about to see where the day takes us, like we do every freaking day. We here. I'm not going to cap, though. I've been having a pretty lit time. Like, that pub and pedal, 10/10 recommend, y'all. 10/10 recommend. You got to do that. Especially in Miami. It's lit. Like, it was the cutest thing I did in a while. Legit cute. But anyhow, honey, I lost the eyelash. I woke up with one lash in the bed. Don't know where the other one is. I had to wipe my makeup off in the bed. What would I do without my mama? Because if it wasn't for her... Oh, I just don't know where I would be. Because, baby, I didn't throw up. But Lord knows I probably could have. And my wig ain't moved. Lord, it's a blessing. It's so hot around here. But it's actually been feeling pretty good. Because it's been raining. So, you know, when it rains, the sun go away. But it don't rain for long. It don't ruin the day. It'll rain. Y'all know how Florida weather is. If you don't, like, it be raining for 2 seconds around here. And then it stops. And it's back sunny. Like, that's why I really don't mind when it be raining here. Because it's not like that Tennessee rain where it's about to rain all day. I don't think I've ever been in Florida and it rained all day. I could be wrong, but they weather is a little bit bipolar. So, I'm surprised my damn wig ain't moved. About to put my elastic band back on. And we just about to get into it, y'all. We're just about to get into it. at this point, your girl is about to get ready yet another freaking time. I wish I could do my makeup in this bathroom, but everybody be taking a shower here. It's the lighting. I have to do it in there, in the mirror, in the kitchen area. But whatever, it still gets done. But yeah, I'm about to take a shower. We're about to go on this boat tour and look at some rich people houses. You know what I'm saying? But that's the plans for today. And then I think tonight we're gonna do salsa. So I'll put my Mexican outfit on because I look Puerto Rican anyway. I feel like I'm in Miami giving real Dominican, like, don't play with me, like, wait till it dry a little bit. Cause right now I look wet. Wait till it dry. Stop it. It's getting Dominican. Then when I put that face on, they be like, mommy. That's what all the me be calling you out here. Mommy. Boy, stop it. Because, okay, now. And it's giving Puerto Rican. But anyway, when we doing something, I'm gonna hop back on here right now. Y'all know I be saying the same thing every time. We ain't doing nothing. I just about to take my shower, get ready. If I could film me getting ready, I might do that for y'all. But the setup is kind of giving, you know, on the go. So we'll see. Fit check. Me being a basic bitch today because I forgot all my other bags at home and I only got a green one, a red one, and an orange one. And where's that going with this? Left all the good tea at home, but this will be given for the celebrity boat tour. And my pants, they flat. Excuse this dirty ass Airbnb floor. On the boat.
Did Gina not come down?
On the boat. I need to get it out. What she say? I tried to leave, but I can't.
You may have seen it before in the famous movie Too Fast, Too Furious, when Paul Walker jumps from one side of the bridge to the other. That is the bridge on your left. That's very expensive. Yes. Oh, and yes, you do have to make reservations a couple days ahead. Yes. But the answer to the most important question, is the food worth it? Ask me in private and I'll tell you. So the Hoya Beach restaurant is part of the Jungle Island Zoo, right? In the Jungle Island Zoo, they got a lot of attractions. Yellow mansion. This is actually the first mansion on the tour. A 3-story yellow mansion on your left. Belongs to a famous actor you may know as El Zorro, or the Puss in Boots. Someone say,
Oye, Tito, no me pagan la música ni nada de eso. Oye, yo lo que quiero es para de 500. Súbeme los dos y la bomba, arriba de la capota del carro, claro. Abra la compuerta grande y ponme la botella.
Después de la construcción de mi casa. So this mansion right here belongs to a famous singer and actress. Uh-oh. Es una cantante. Beyoncé. Who said Beyoncé? Es una cantante que también es una actriz. Jennifer Lopez. Jenny from the block. A woman whose hips don't lie. Shakira. Es un cantante, es un rapero que también es un actor. Will Smith, World Heavyweight Champion, baby. Mansion, tomorrow we're going to hecho una mansión de 100 millones, la que más cuesta en el tour. Take a look at the house in the back that has the roof made out of windows, and it's just the greenhouse to his garden. Pueden ver la casa que está atrás del techo. Solamente es el verdadero del jardín, no es la mansión. If you take a look at the palm trees surrounding the mansion, each one of these palm trees imported from Africa, $10,000 each.
Wow. Just for some palm trees.
This mansion belongs to a famous doctor. Es un doctor famoso
mama?
His name should only Dr. Philip Frost. And he is the inventor of, él es el inventor de Viagra. La Viagra. But folks, this is not his only mansion in Miami. As I said, he does have another one. Another one. Modern boys will get tickets. Modern boys will get tickets. Every single one. $75 a piece. 75, baby. Let's go. On the right hand side, we'll be seeing a 2-story white mansion. White yacht outside. That's one of the información. Blanca, yate blanco. This mansion right here belongs to a famous retired man.
Can I have a little bacon burger? I want a cheeseburger. Actually, a little bacon cheeseburger.
A little bacon cheeseburger, any toppings?
Can I have mayo, mustard, ketchup, lettuce, tomatoes, and pickles?
So mayo, mustard, lettuce, tomatoes, ketchup, and pickles.
Yes.
Okay, any french fries?
And then can I have a little fry? And can I have a bacon milkshake?
Yeah, they put it
Why would they do that?
It's good.
It is so good. It is busting. Let me see. Can I have what's an Oreo cream?
The Oreo cream is basically without the pieces. It's just a flavor.
Oh no, I want the Oreo with cookie pieces.
You want to put whipped cream or no whipped cream?
No whipped cream.
Would that be all?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's 27.
Literally back at it again in my favorite fucking spot of the house. So right now we just got back from, where did we go? We went on the boat tour, the Celebrity House boat tour. It was okay, you know, it was alright. It was a nice little time. We thought we almost died because the waves got a little crazy. It looked like the boat was about to go under. I was on the back of the boat. How scary. No, was I on the front? I might have been on the front of the boat, but either way it go, we thought timber, like we thought we were going down. But anyhow, the next move is salsa. Now I'm about to start getting ready for salsa in a minute, but I really just decided that I just needed to take a break and kind of lay right here for a second because this Florida heat is beating me, and it's turning me pretty chocolatey. I'm ready to call it a trip. Like, it's really taking me there. But yeah, pretty much everybody out there just lounging around. I don't even know if I showed y'all the whole group, but you know, tis is what it is. Y'all came to see me, not them. Didn't nobody come to see Otis. Like, ain't nobody coming to see Otis. No, I'm just talking shit, but yeah. Whoo, y'all, it's been a long trip. It's been a lot of walking, but it's been pretty fun. Like, it's really been a lit time. Chill right here for a quick little snippet of a second because I don't even know what time I'm supposed to be ready. Which y'all see my face is already done. We gonna do a little touch up, clean that oil up. Because it's pretty sweaty outside. But, yeah, I'm about to clean my makeup up. Already washed up. Like, who's finna get in the shower? Wash it up, ladies. Armpits, titties, all the important parts. I just got out of the shower this morning. I could have took another shower. It was one day I took a shower like 3 times here. But, you know, we gotta be quick on about time. Now, anyhow, it's the 9 of us. Yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup, all that jazz, touch her up, you know, a little powder here, a little powder there. And then I'm gonna put my Fiesta clothes on because I swear to God, it's really about to give Dominican. When I put my clothes on, it's about to give Dominican. Do not play with me. Like, I'm about to wet the curls back a little bit, you know, add a little extra product to give it that refreshed. Oh, baby, it's giving Mamacita out there. Like, don't play with me. I swear to God. Do not play with me. Y'all gonna see. You'll see it.
6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 1. So one thing I want to say about the top, you know how you clap at the top? The top is very important. It's a little, just like a party's a little bit chaotic, I want my leads to go somewhere else and find a new follower. Yes? So I know we have a room full of our guys. Berlin, give a round of applause for Berlin here. Alright guys, so we did the turn for the follower, now we're going to do the turn for the lead. So it's going to be the same turn. So we're going from the top, basic to the left, and basic to the right, and basic to the left, and basic to the right. Hand up, the follower turns, and the follower turns. And basic 1, 2, 3, basic 5, 6, 7, basic 1, 2, 3, basic 5, 6, 7. Hand up, the lead turns, and the lead turns.
Yo, I'm the only one with heels on. And they got me walking these Miami streets because we done lost the car. Help. Please send help. They said, take your shoes off. Now, why would I do that in this, nigga central out here? Why would I take my shoes off? It might be a rich nigga lurking and I'm walking around barefooted with no shoes on. That's all I'm trying to say. What a long night. See, girl, don't fall because I can't help. You see what I'm working with. Look, y'all, don't nobody know where they going. Take your shoes off, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Even with my shoes on and my feet hurting, I still walk faster than all these old ladies. And my feet hurt, did I mention? I'm just trying to tell y'all. Ooh, that was not no cute lighting. Looking like Casper. It's giving casket. Biscuit. Dry. Ooh. Y'all, and I gotta use the bathroom. Why do bad things happen to good people? Why? I feel like I have not been on here talking to y'all how I'm supposed to be. Don't nobody. Well, I don't really know how to do it anyway. You know, I'm just trying to learn and whatnot. But you know what? You be on the move. You be on the move. I got to get a little clip and keep it pushing, baby. Because they done had me doing a lot this little girls trip now. I ain't sat down too much. Yesterday, was that yesterday or today? Honey, that was today. I said, let me lay back Let me lay back for a little second. I wake up an hour later. My mama talking about, hurry up, we gotta go. What do you mean we gotta go? Y'all let me take a nap? So I had to hurry up and do my thing. Do a quick little 1-2. And get on out here. Y'all, my toes. It's the toes for me. I'm off here because I gotta concentrate on walking. Titties out. So currently it's 2-something in the morning and I'm ready to do something. No, but really not really, because that walk just like it took me out. So we finally back to the house now after we almost had a little traffic jam scare. But I'm sitting here about to eat my freaking leftovers from Bubba Gump shrimp because I'm hungry and I need to wipe my makeup off. I also gotta pee, but I'm about to try to eat my food first before I pee because I don't want to pee. Tomorrow is leaving day, so we will be leaving tomorrow. That's our last day here, and I must admit, I'm ready to go home a little bit, but I really like it here. I really like it. But anyhow, this ain't my first time in Miami. This is like my second time. I just get more and more obsessed with Florida every time I come to Florida. So we gonna manifest me moving here because that's really the move. And the Spanish people here, y'all lit. Somebody was speaking Spanish to me and I told y'all this hair was giving Dominican. She was speaking Spanish? Baby, I don't know what you saying, but thank you. Okay. But anyway, yeah, I'm just about to eat this food. Relax. Wash my face. I think somebody got in the shower, but wash my face and stuff. And then I might show y'all us at the airport. I might not. But just in case I don't show y'all nothing tomorrow, we just gonna close out the vlog right here, just in case, you know. So thank you guys for watching. If you watched this far, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Make sure you share this video, all that, because I know I didn't tell y'all in the beginning of the video. So go ahead and beat that subscribe button up for me.